Hello everyone, my name is Sagar Khasewar and these are my group member Yogesh, Rauji and Chetna, and our project topic name is automatic vehicle detection for self-driving car, and our guide is Shilpa Rudrawar. So this is the code of our project which is show on the framework Raspberry Pi. So in this project we make three models. One is main project model for run the code. Second two are the motor model and webcam model. So after that we see the first three lines. In this line we declare the libraries by using import function, cv2 library, numpy and tensorflow. After that we show the webcam model and motor model. By using import function we connect this model to our main function. So this is the part of our folder. On this folder we save all the files. So see, this is the folder. In this folder we save all the files which is using in our project. So straightening, sensitivity, throttle, motor and model, these are the parameters of our project. So sensitivity and throttle control the speed of motor, and motor, in motor we see the 2 3 4 17 22 and 27. These are the pin numbers of the Raspberry Pi. After that we see the model. In this model we save the part of the folder. After that we see the def function. By using def we make a function name is pre-processing. In this pre-processing we collect the image, and from this image we convert in RGB, and after that we detect the object from this image. So after that we see the while true. This is the infinite loop. When we detect the image in runtime, that time we see get the infinite image. For processing on this image we make a while true loop. In this loop we convert the image in array. After that this by using pre-processing we detect the uh, object from this image, and in this image in output we see the sensitivity value, which and the output of our project. Sensitivity value which and the output of our project.